I wanted to make this be the car that someone wanted to say, I own a Pinto. So that's what we did.
I've got my friend EJ Fitzgerald with us with Cool Hand Customs. EJ, tell us a little bit about this wild ride behind us.
This is a 78 Pinto Cruising Wagon, if you've never heard of one.
This paint job was actually the original paint job that was kind of on the car, right?
The original style. We added some pearl into the colors to make it stand out a little bit more. The interior is all original. My wife went through and redid all of that. Rewrapped all the seats.
What kind of suspension do you have?
All the suspension in it, other than the rear coilovers, is from Heights suspension.
What was some of the most difficult parts about doing this restoration?
The hardest part for me is I have a hard time leaving things the way they are.
And see, I believe that because having talked to you in the past, you're like, just grab it and cut it. You know what I mean?
Pack it up, make it what you want.
That's pretty funny, actually. So, you know, I know we got you some weather stripping on this car.
Yeah, definitely.
How was that process? Maybe some tips that if someone else is doing this car that you could kind of give them.
Well, the best thing is, first off, is to just call you guys and get one of those catalogs. They'll just send you a catalog with every part that fits on that car. And luckily this one, believe it or not, 78 Pinto that I'd never heard of, every single piece on this car, they make a part for.
For someone who's in the garage doing something, it's not their profession, but they're at home doing it, what may be a piece of advice for them?
Just don't give up on it. You just need to shrink it down into one little project, you know?
Well, that's good advice. And anyone who's worked on cars can relate. It's a sick car. I mean, I've never seen one in person, so thank you for the interview.
Yeah, anytime, bro.